everyone, Ramadan Mubarak. So today we are going to be making Moringa soup with Ayoola Poundo Yam. In a pot I added in my goat meat, some scotch bonnet, some ginger, some seasoning, some locust beans and gedania. We are going to thoroughly mix it all together, cover it and let it cook for 20 minutes. While that is cooking, we are going to work on our peanut butter. Basically, we're just going to add in some water into our peanuts to kind of get rid of the lumps. After that, we are going to add in our tokania. I don't know what you call that in English. Our meat has been cooking for over 20 minutes. Now we're going to add in our peanut butter mixture. We're just going to turn it and let it cook for 5 minutes. So now it has been cooking for almost 5 minutes. Now we're just going to add in more seasoning. After adding seasoning, the next thing we're going to do is add in our moringa leaf. Add in your moringa leaf, mix it all together and let it cook for another 5 minutes. This is what it is going to look like after that. Now we're going to add in our steamed fish. It is cooked already with some salt and a little bit of onions. We are going to cover it and our soup is ready. Keep it aside. Now we are going to work on our magic, Ayoola Poundo. The yam tubers are sourced from a carefully selected species, rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It takes 5 minutes to prepare and has the taste and aroma of a freshly prepared pounded yam. It is made without preservatives. Best paired with traditional soups, just like my moringa. It is available in 450 grams, 0.9 kg, 1.8 kg, 4.5 kg, and 9.1 kg pack sizes. Ramadan Mubarak. Asharu Alafia. Thank you.